Eric and Lyle Menendez, the brothers convicted in the high-profile 1989 murders of their parents, Jose and Kitty Menendez, have scored a major legal win in their decades-long effort to seek a new sentence. A Los Angeles judge has ruled that the resentencing hearings for the Menendez brothers can move forward, despite attempts by Los Angeles County District Attorney Nathan Hochman to block the proceedings. This ruling marks a significant moment in the brothers' legal journey, which began over 30 years ago when they were sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. The new hearings, scheduled for April 17th and 18th, 2025, could potentially alter their sentence and open the door to parole eligibility for the first time. The Menendez brothers were convicted in 1996 after two lengthy trials in which prosecutors argued that they killed their wealthy parents out of greed for their multi-million-dollar estate. However, the defense maintained that the murders were an act of desperation after years of alleged sexual and emotional abuse at the hands of their father, Jose Menendez. This claim, while dismissed by the jury at the time, has resurfaced with new momentum due to emerging evidence and renewed public interest. Recent documentaries, including a popular Netflix series, have brought the case back into the spotlight and presented previously unseen evidence. Among the most compelling is a letter written by Eric Menendez to a cousin describing the alleged abuse. This, along with statements from individuals who claim to have witnessed or known about the abuse, has bolstered the brothers' claims and cast fresh doubt on the original trial's outcome. Former Los Angeles County District Attorney George Gascon had filed a petition under California's new resentencing law, which allows for the reevaluation of sentences in cases involving mitigating circumstances, such as childhood abuse or trauma. Gascon recommended that the brothers be resentenced to 50 years to life, making them eligible for parole. However, his successor, DA Nathan Hochman, sought to reverse that decision, arguing that the brothers have not taken full responsibility for the killings and that the original sentence should remain in place. In a pivotal decision, Judge Michael Jesich rejected Hochman's motion, ruling that the resentencing hearings must proceed and that the brothers are entitled to have their cases reconsidered under the law. In addition to the resentencing process, the Menendez brothers have also submitted a clemency petition to California Governor Gavin Newsom and filed a habeas corpus petition seeking a new trial based on newly discovered evidence. The California Parole Board is also expected to weigh in with a recommendation in June 2025, which could influence the outcome of both the resentencing and clemency efforts. If the resentencing results in a revised sentence of 50 years to life, the Menendez brothers could soon be considered for parole, raising the possibility of release after more than 3 decades behind bars. For many, this case continues to be a lightning rod for debates over justice, accountability, abuse, and how the legal system treats complex family dynamics. As the new hearings approach, the Menendez brothers' story remains one of the most controversial and emotionally charged criminal cases in modern American history, and one that may be far from over.